Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your browsing data in the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile device. This is an important process if you want to clear your history, cookies, cache, and other data for privacy. First, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside Settings, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy to open the privacy-related options. Next, scroll down until you see the option Delete Browsing Data and tap on it. Then, you will see a list of data types you can delete, such as browsing history, cookies, and cached images. Select the data types you want to remove from your browser. After selecting the data types, choose the range of time you want to delete, such as the past hour, day, week, or all time. Finally, tap on Delete Data to remove the selected browsing data from your device. This process ensures that your browsing history and other stored data are cleared, helping protect your privacy and improve browser performance. Thank you for watching this video.